Hi everyone, it's Matthew again, and this month of June 2026. This is our fifth strategy, and we're going to be dropping so many strategies across the channels the month of June 2026. And here we're going to be trading the volatility 25 1x touch no touch, and we're actually going to be trading the touch. We are using one indicator, so you can see the gap, the spot where I placed that trade right here. It was right here. So there has to be wide margin between the MA and the current spot where it is, and it has to be below the MA. This is the MA indicator. We're using the moving average indicator. So once you log into your trading account, you go to volatility 25 1x, and you go to the trade type. You click on touch no touch. Once you do that, you go to the indicators, you go to the moving average, you click on moving average right here, and you go to the touch not touch right here, set the durations to 4 minutes, set the barrier offset to +1 2 3, +1 2 3, and enter the amount you want to stake. This is a time count right here, and you can see this is the barrier right there, and this is the current spot. And so let's wait for the outcome of that trade right here. So before you place your next trade, the current spot has to be below the moving average indicator, and there has to be a wide gap. You can see the gap from the red one to this one, this spot right here. So there has to be a wide gap. So this red has to be above the current spot, and there has to be a wide gap if you want to place your next trade. So let's wait for the outcome of this trade right here. This is the barrier. This is the entry spot. So we are close right here. We're already close. We can actually say that we're going to win regardless. So you can see we won that trade. We made $4.5 right there. So we're going to place one more trade. Let's quickly check the ongoing trade right here. We're actually using the indicator, some trade and profit. I've closed that one. We're using the buy sell indicator on the Deriv MT5 interface. We're still giving away this indicator for those who want it. It's free. For those who don't have a trading account, we're giving it away for free. It works on Deriv and other broker platform. It works on other Forex broker platform that support MT5. You can use it to trade your synthetic indices, your Forex pairs, Euro, USD, USD, CHF, all Forex pairs, synthetic indices on Deriv, volatility, jump, crash and boom, bear market, bull market, all the trade types. So this indicator, all you have to do is to attach it to your chart and wait for it to show the signal. It shows you the light blue, meaning buy, and it shows this meaning sell. You can see the last signal here, buy, and it's still going all the way up. So that's how it works, but you have to be online to use the indicator. So if you want this indicator for free, all you have to do is to check the video description on YouTube. We're only giving it away for free to those who don't have a trading account. Make sure you use this link to sign up for a free trading account. Once you do that, subscribe to all the channels, subscribe to all the channels. Then send an email to this email address with the last digits of your account. Once you verify your sign up, we'll send the indicator to you for free. For those who already have a trading account, use this link to order the indicator for $12. And our buy sell, our toss scalper bot and the pip stripper bot as well, they're still effective. They work on Deriv and they are automated. Toss scalper bot is $9.99 USD, and you can see the current result for June 2026. It's still winning. The pip stripper bot is $7.99 USD, and when you order any of our bots, you get the indicator for free. And when you order the indicator, you get our bots for free as well. You also get some free gifts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So the links to order the toss scalper bot and the pip stripper bot are in the video description. This is a link to order the pip stripper bot, and the links to order the toss scalper bot as well is right here. And for those who don't have a trading account, use this link in the video description to sign up for a free trading account to test the strategies on demo before you go live. So once you sign up, you can also sign up as well for a affiliate, so you can refer more people to use the strategies to trade and make some money. Not even some money, make a lot of money. So subscribe to all our channels. Let's get back to the trade. Let's place one more trade. So we have to wait for this to go below the moving average indicator. You can see the current spot right here, and there has to be a wide gap. You can see the gap right there. That's a good gap for you to place the trade, but we have to wait for this to go below the moving average indicator. Make sure this is in touch and set all this correctly. So let's wait for it to go more down. It's already below. It has to go. There has to be wide gap. It has to drop right, and it's going back up again. You can see the gap right there. Let's wait for a little bit wider gap. So for it to drop right down, you can see that spot. So it rebounded so fast. Okay, that spot you can see right there. You can see the gap right there. So that's it. So that's going to be the last trade. Let's just, our mouse has to be here because it can rebound so fast. So once we're already in profit right there. So we don't have to sell. We're going to win regardless. Okay, that's it guys. We already won that trade. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching.